How to use outline effect on TikTok. In this short video, I will show you how to use the outline effect on TikTok. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the TikTok app and tap Discover. Then type in outline in the search bar. Then tap on the outline effect. To save this effect to easily find later, tap Add to Favorites. To begin creating a TikTok with the outline effect, tap Try this effect at the bottom. Many people are using this effect to outline their face. To make it easier to keep still, you can prop your device up in front of you. If you'd like your video to play sped up, set your recording speed to 2 times or 3 times. Also, make sure to change your video length to 60 seconds or 3 minutes if you'd like it to be longer. When you're ready, tap the shutter button to begin recording. Simply drag your finger on the screen to start drawing. When you're finished recording, tap the stop button. Then go ahead and post it to your feed. And that's all it takes to use the outline effect on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.